Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Man, not long ago, about a week and a half ago, I decided to open a Gemini account because I realized that the sandbox of Metaverse crypto token was available on the Gemini platform. And that sandbox is ticker symbol SAND. And I was like, wow, let me open this account. But what I really realized is I was going to actually start using this account as my Metaverse crypto account. Hey, welcome to PB Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about saving. We talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. Okay, here we are in my Gemini account, and I'm excited because this is my Metaverse account where I'm looking at different crypto coins that have something to do with the Metaverse, but I'm also going to be making purchases with coins that don't have anything to do with the Metaverse. And without all this just jibber jabbing and talking, let's just get down into it. First and foremost, I am looking at Terra Luna. And as you can see, it's currently trading at $57.55. It is up $3.98 or 7.43% today. And in 1 week, it is up 40.09% or $16. And in 1 month, and I'm not going to go past 1 month because I'm looking at purchases that I can make that can have something to do. And I want to keep it close to a month. I don't want to really worry about what it did at a year from now or what it's going to do in the next year. And these are past performances. And before I go any further, let me say I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Make sure you do me a favor and do your research on your own before making any investment decisions. Now, with all that being said, it is up 34.09% in the last month. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and click buy. It's already selected to buy. How often? Once. And I'm going to put $25. I was about to say $50, $25 in Terra. No, actually, no, I think I'm going to go ahead and do 50. I'm going to go ahead and do 50. And right here, I don't know if y'all can see, I'm sure you can, but 4.25% if I transfer to earn, and I'm going to stake this crypto, meaning I'm going to let it sit there for a minute. I don't plan on selling it anytime soon. I'm not a day trader or a swing trader. I am a buy and hold investor. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this on, and I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to show me that my balance is $125. I'm going to use that balance, and then I'm going to get 4.52%, confirm the transaction, and your order has been placed. Click got it, and it's a done deal. So I am going to go back up here and go back. So that's the first purchase. And then I'm going to look at Axie Infinity. Now, Terra Luna is not a Metaverse coin. Now we're going to get into the Metaverse coins, which I'm looking at Axie Infinity. I'm going to go ahead and click it. It's up $6.83 today, 5.13% today. In 1 week, it's up 4.23%. And in 1 month, it's up 2.60%. But I'm still going to make a purchase of only $25. Again, we are investing on a budget, ladies and gentlemen. So don't get too caught up in, oh man, it's only $25. It's only $50. We're investing on a budget. Can I put more money into that? Yes, but right now, and if I use the earn feature, I'm going to get 4.04% APY on my purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and click that on. Continue. Use that. Click confirm. It's a done deal. And then once we finish, I'm going to go back and look at the different coins that I chose to purchase. And I'm not going to do the graph. I'm not going to do app. I am looking at Decentraland. And I'm going to go ahead and do $25 in this. And I think maybe I wanted to do $50 here, but I'm going to do $25 here. Now, in the last today is down 8 cents, 1.72%. In the last week, it's up 4.38%. In the last month, it's up 63.76. I'm going to put $25 here. I'm going to get 1.80% APY because I am going to click the earn feature, continue. It's going to tell me use my balance here. And I'm going to click confirm, and it's done. Your buy and earn order has been placed for $25. Go back real quick. And then the last one I'm going to do, I've done Luna, I've done Axie Infinity. The last one I'm going to do is Anchor Network. It is trading at 15 cents right now. It's up 3.21% today, up 27.05% in the last week, and up 32.25% in the last month. I'm going to go ahead and click $25. And I will get 2.25% APY if I decide to earn, which I will. Continue. Click the balance. Confirm. And it has been placed. Click got it. And it is a done deal. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. You see it. I've done it. And these crypto purchases are so easy. It is not that difficult. All you have to do is just take your time. Keep watching the videos. Go in, make your purchases, watch it grow, and if you have the opportunity to watch your investments earn extra interest on top of the growth that they're going to have just from day-to-day trading, I would highly recommend it. So tell me, what do you think? First and foremost, do you have Gemini? Are you a fan of Gemini? Do you not like Gemini? Do you have other investment opportunities that I should take advantage of? Do you have other suggestions? I would love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. And again, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.